In time and work problems, in time and work problems, in time and work problems, work is considered to be constant. Work is considered to be constant. In time, speed and distance problems, in time, speed and distance problems, time, speed and distance problems, any one out of the three parameters, either time will be constant or speed will be constant or distance will be constant. Time constant, speed constant and distance constant. Time constant, speed constant and distance constant. In time and work problems, work will be constant. In time, speed and distance, time, speed and distance will be constant. What do you mean by constant? Constant is nothing but a fixed numerical value. Constant is nothing but a fixed numerical value. So in all time and work problems, in all time and work problems, if days are given in the problem, if the days are given in the problem, convert every problem into units per day. Convert every problem into units per day. Convert everything into units per day by taking work as some units. That is nothing but the LCM of the given values. That is nothing but the LCM of the given values. Work is nothing but the LCM of the given values. Work is nothing but the LCM of the given values. Days will be given in the question. Convert the days into units per day. Then units we don't know. Units we will come to know by taking the LCM of the given values. By taking the LCM of the given values. Now, next slide is very, very important. High frequency. High frequency values from time and work. These are the high frequency values from where the lot of questions will be asked from time and work. So it will be 18, 12, 20, 25, 24, 36, 75, 6 and 9, 30, 60, 72. These are the and 96. These are the values where maximum times these values are getting repeated. Maximum times the days given in the question, the days given in the question has these values. The days given in the question, this will have these values. 18, 12, 20, 21. See, these very easy, sir. It's easy. What you do is, you take the 36. All the factors of 36 might be there in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Or you can take the factors of 60. All the factors of 60 that might come in your exam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 20, 30. Or you can take 75. All the factors of 75. 1, 5, 25. 1, 5, 25. I hope it is clear, right? Very, very important, sir. 36, 60. 36, 60. 100. If you can remember all the factors of this, most likely the questions will be repeated from these numerical values only. 36, 60 and 100. 36, 60 and 100. I hope it is clear, right? Now let us solve some foundation problems. Then we will get into the exam model questions. 36, 60 and 100. I will write the root at the above. In time and work problems, convert days into, every problem convert days into units per day. Anywhere if you find days, convert into units per day. Convert it into units per day. First question. A can complete a work in 20 days. B can complete a work in 30 days. B can complete a work in 30 days. If they together work in how many days, the work will be completed. If they together work in how many days, can the work be completed? Work is considered to be constant. Work is considered to be constant. Work will be there in units. So take the LCM of 20 and 30. These where I discussed all the models. LCM of 20 and 30. 30 is not a multiple of 20. Next number 60. 60 it is there. So 60, work is taken as the LCM of the given days. If the work is 60 units, total work, he has to print 60 books. 20 days, 60 books. Every question in time and work, the work is uniformly distributed. Work is uniformly distributed. Work is uniformly distributed. Work is uniformly distributed. 20 days, 60 units. Per day, he will do 3 units per day. B, he will do 2 units per day. 2 units per day. That means in one day, A will do 3 units, B will do 2 units. If they work together, 5 units work is completed. But I require the question of 60 units. 5 12s are 60. So total they will do it in 12 days. Total they will do it in 12 days. A can complete a work in 20 days, B can complete a work in 30 days. LCM of 20 and 30 it is 60. Convert days into units per day. Total work it is 60 units. 20 days 60 units. Per day 3 units. 30 days 60 units. Per day 2 units. If they are working together, 3 units work is done, B also it is done. So 3 units and 2 units. Per day 5 units. Total 60, it will be nothing but 12 days. Total they can complete the work in 12 days. Total they can complete the work. See, A is completing the work in 20 days, B in 30 days. If they are working together, obviously they will take less days to complete the work. So they took 12 days. Convert days into units per day. Convert days into units per day. Foundation class, I will do all the sample questions. Then we will take exam related questions. Second one. A can complete a work in 25 days. B can complete a work in 50 days. C can complete a work in 100 days. A can complete a work in 25 days. B in 50 days. C in 100 days. A plus B plus C. If they work together, in how many days the work can be completed? In how many days the work can be completed? Now see here. Let the work be LCM of 25, 50 and 100. 25, 50 and 100. So it is 100 units work. If I assume the work to be 100 units, 25 days 100 units. Per day 4 units per day. 50 days 100 units. Per day it is 2 units. 100 days 100 units. Per day 1 unit per day. If they are working together, A 4 units, B 2 units, C 1 unit. So total it is nothing but 7 units. But totally I require 100 units. So 100 by 7. 100 by 7 is 14.2 or 14 2 by 7 days. 14 2 by 7 days. I told you, in case if answer options are there, in case if answer options are like this, 14 2 by 7, 18 days, 20 days and 15 days. Easily you can do by using answer option. 1 by 25, first is 4%, 1 by 50, 2%, 1 by 100, 1%. Answer, if I convert into percentage, I should get 7%. 1 by 18, it is 5.5. 1 by 20, 5%. 1 by 15, 6%. So the only answer is 14 2 by 7. If you are good in percentages, or if the values given in terms of days, if they can be converted into percentage, have an eye on the answer options. If you are able to eliminate 3, then that will be the answer. I hope this idea it is clear. Second one, third question. A plus B can complete a work in 20 days. A plus B can complete a work in 20 days. A alone can complete a work in 100 days. A alone can complete a work in 100 days. B alone can complete the work in how many days? A plus B together, if they work together, they completed the work in 20 days. A alone 100 days, B alone. Convert days into units per day. Convert every problem days into units per day. So 20 days, 100 days. Work is LCM of 20 and 100. So answer is 100 units. If I take work as 100 units, work as 100 units, 20 days 100 units, both of them together they will do 5 units per day. 100 days 100 units. A alone it will be 1 unit per day. A alone it is 1 unit per day. Together it is 5 units per day. So the remaining will be 4 units per day. 4 units per day means 1 day 4 units. Totally I need to do 100 units. 425s are 100. 125s are 25. Answer is 25. Again I am explaining. Previous question individual is given. Together it is asked. But now in this question, individual and together is given. Remaining person individual. First thing you should know, days should be converted into units per day. 20 and 100. LCM of 20 and 100. It is 100. 20 days 100 units. Per day 5 units per day. 100 days 100 units. Per day 1 unit per day. If it is 1, B will be 4 units per day. B will be 4 units per day. 1 day 4 units. 100 units it is nothing but 25 days. 100 it is nothing but 25 days. Go by the answer. Suppose if the answers are 25 days, always keep an eye on the answer options. 30 days, 40 days and 50 days. If the options are like this, pick the answer option. A alone 100 days, 100 by 100, 1%. B alone, if it is 25 days, 1 by 25, 4%. 4 plus 1 is 5. Together it should give you 5%. 1 by 20, it is 5%. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. One more. A plus B, 72 days. A plus B, 72 days. B alone, 18 days. B alone, 18 days. A alone can complete the work in how many days? A alone can complete the work in how many days? Convert the days into units per day. To convert days into units per day, all I require is the LCM of these values. So LCM of 18 and 72. This is nothing but 72. This is 4 units per day. This is 1 unit per day. 1 unit per day. So these is nothing but, if it is 4 units, sorry, these 72. I hope, okay, we will keep the same thing and we will discuss a concept. This is 4 units per day. These 1. So B will be minus, sorry, B will be 4 units. A will be minus 3. Minus 3 units per day. What do you mean by minus 3? Minus 3 means he is doing negative work. What do you mean by negative work? Negative work. Constructing a building, positive work. Destroying a building, it is considered to be the negative work, or pipe is opened, water is flowing, right? Tank is getting filled, tank is getting emptied, emptying the tank, right? So these destroying a building, emptying the tank, right? Anything. Positive work is doing an activity which enhances. This is a positive work, any activity which enhances. Negative work, doing an activity which dilutes, which dilutes. So this is nothing but a growth, this is nothing but a degrowth. You are going down, this is nothing but a degrowth. A plus B 72 days, B alone 18 days. I got negative value, 1 day minus 3. So answer is, he will take 18 days to construct a building. The same building can be destroyed by A in 24 days. Negative work is nothing but degrowth, right? Emptying the tank and destroying the building. These are all classical examples. I hope this fourth example it is clear. Now fifth example, A plus B, only together it is given. A plus B 18 days, B plus C 24 days, A plus C 36 days, A plus B 18 days, B plus C 24 days, A plus C 36 days. First point, A alone can complete the work. Another important model, sir. B alone can complete the work. C alone can complete the work. A alone, how many days? B alone, how many days? C alone. These where the LCM models will be quite useful. LCM of 18, 24, 36. Largest number 36, not divisible by 24. Next multiple, 72 will be divisible. So let the work be 72 units. Let the work be 72 units. Let the work be 72 units. Now see here, 36 days 72 units. Per day 2 units per day. Per day 3 units per day. Per day 4 units per day. So A plus B together will do 4 units per day. B and C together will do 3 units. A and C together will do 2 units. If I add it, A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C. 2 into A plus B plus C. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. It is nothing but 9 units per day. So A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. It is 4.5 units per day. A alone, B plus C in 1 day, 3 units. So A will do, A plus 3, it is 4.5. A will do 1.5 units per day. 1.5 units. B alone, A plus C in 1 day, 2 units. So this will do 2.5 units per day. C alone, A plus B 4, C will be 0.5 units per day. 0.5 units per day. So 1 day 3 by 2 units. 1 day 3 by 2. 72 how much? 72 by 3 by 2. 72 by 2.5. 72 by 1 by 2. These answer 144. These 144 by 5. These answer 48 days. If together is given, there is nothing in this question. Convert days into units per day. That is the only logic, sir. Basic questions. LCM of 18, 24, 36, 72. A plus B will do 4 units per day. B plus C 3 units. A plus C 2 units. Adding 2 into A plus B plus C is 9. A plus B plus C in 1 day, 4.5 units per day. So from here, A plus B plus C it is 4.5 units. You can also do by using percentage method, that also we will discuss. A, B plus C in 1 day, 3. A plus 3 is 4.5. B I want A plus C is 2, 2.5 units. A alone 1.5 units per day, B alone 2.5 units per day, C alone 0.5 units per day. If it is there in the answer options, for example, A alone we require. See here, A plus B 18 days. Best way to is to keep an eye on the answer option. A plus B 18 days, B plus C 24 days, A plus C 36 days. 36 days. A alone, how much it is? If the options are 48, 40, 50 and none of this. 48, 40, 50 and none of this. So what you do is, you just go by the approximate. 1 by 18 which is 5.5. 1 by 24. So these is nothing but 4.15. 1 by 36. 1 by 36. These is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 18. 1 by 18 is 5.25. 5.25. These is nothing but 10.5. So if I add it, so these is nothing but 2 into A plus B plus C. These is nothing but 5, 5, 5, 5. These approximately 20 point something. Are you all with me? 20. A plus B plus C. It is nothing but 10%. B plus C, how much we got? 4.15. So 10 minus 4.15. 10 minus 2. 5.5 plus 4.15. It is 9.65. So it is 20 point something. 2 into A plus B plus C. It is 20. A plus B plus C. It is nothing but B plus C, how much? 4.15. A should be around 5 point something. A should be around 5 point something. Check it out with the answer option, whichever it is matching, that itself is the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Go with the answer option. We will do one more question. A plus B 20 days. Together, A plus B 20 days. B plus C 30 days. A plus B 20 days. B plus C 30 days. A plus C 60 days. A plus C 60 days. A alone, little fast I am doing, sir. A alone, B alone and C alone. A alone, B alone and C alone. 20, 30, 60. It is 3 units per day, 2 units per day, 1 unit per day. So total it is 2 into A plus B plus C. It is 6 units. A plus B plus C. It is nothing but 3 units per day. 3 units per day. So from here, A plus B, it is 3 units per day. C is 0 units per day. He is pretending like he is working, but actually he is not working. Most of the students pretend to listen to the online classes in engineering colleges just to get the attendance. So you belong to the C category. A plus B plus C is 3 units per day. I want C alone. A plus B is 3 units per day. C is 0 units per day. They are listening to the class. They are there in the class. They are very passive in the class. They are doing their own job of Instagrams or Facebooks or so on and so forth, WhatsApps. So he is pretending like he is working, but actually he is not working. B alone, A plus C. A plus C is 1. So it is nothing but 2 units per day. 1 day 2 units. So it will take 30 days. It will take 30 days. A alone, B plus C is 2 units. A will be 60 days. A will be 60 days. Now let us do by using percentage method. A I require, B plus C is 2. So A will be 1 unit per day. 1 day 1 unit. 60 units 60 days. B alone 2 units per day. A plus C it is 1. So B will be I require B, right? So A plus C will be 1, so 2 will be 2 units per day. Suppose if you want to do by using answer option, keep an eye on the answer option. 1 by 20 is 5 percentage. 1 by 30 is 3.33 percentage. 1 by 60 is 1.66 percentage. It is combination 2 into A plus B plus C. It is nothing but 10 percentage. A plus B plus C. It is nothing but 5 percentage. You can get any value. This is for A and B. This is for B and C. This is for A and C. B and C, it is 3.33. 5 minus 3.33, 1.66. 1.66 I should get. 1.66, which is 60. Are you all with me? B alone I require. A and C, 1.66. 5 minus 1.66, 3.33. 1 by 30 it is 3.33. So A plus B is 5. C will be 0. C will be 0. It could be anything, sir. Play around with the answer option. Play around with the answer option. For example, A plus B, 9 days. You don't need to do the LCM. If the answer options are very, very far, it is 12 days. And A plus C, it is 20 days. If somebody asks you, C alone, how much it will be? You should be able to keep an eye on the answer option. These 11.11, these 8.33, this is 5, these 25, divided by 2, 12.5 percentage, 12 minus 11.11, which is 1.37 percentage. Answer should be around 1.31 percentage for C alone, because A plus B plus C, it is 25 by 2, which is 12.5 percentage, which is 12.5 percentage. Idea clear, right? He can give you individual, ask together. He can give you together, ask alone. He can also give questions like this.